Today, I will share with you 6 free AI tools you can use to enhance your academic research. From literature review to data analysis, these tools will help you to streamline your workflow and get more work done. Hello everyone, my name is Pat Ugu, and on this channel I do video about educational technology and digital tools for business. If this is the kind of video you would like to see in the future, please consider subscribing. Remember to turn on the notification button so that YouTube will get you notified immediately I upload new videos. Let me also inform you that I have a course that will teach you how to write your academic research project all by yourself with the assistance of AI tools. You don't need to pay anyone to write your project for you. Check the link in the description box below so that you sign up and start using it immediately. If you are ready, let's dive in. So turning onto my computer, the very first AI research tool we are going to use today is none other one than ChatGPT. If you have not used ChatGPT before, all you need to do is to come to this place, to your URL, and type chatgpt.com, and you will be required to sign up or log in if you already have an account. But ChatGPT will also allow you to use the tool without logging in. There are a lot of things you can do with ChatGPT as a researcher. Here you can see help me pick, help me study, write a message, create a morning routine, things like that. You can go on and ask ChatGPT questions and it will answer you. For example, if I say suggest a research topic in business education and press enter, ChatGPT will go on to suggest this. As you can see, it included an abstract, research questions, methodology, and all of that. But what we basically need is list of research topics. So let us rephrase. Suggest 5 research topics in business education. Then I'll press enter from here. ChatGPT will go to work and make a list of these research topics in this particular area. As you can see, it also included descriptions of these topics. So ChatGPT can be a very good tool for researchers. The next one we are going to look at is known as QuillBot. QuillBot is a good paraphrasing tool, but you can also use it to do other things. If you want to do paraphrasing, all you need to do is to come to QuillBot.com. I will also put the link in the description box, then click on Paraphraser. Once you click on that, it will load and turn up this place for you. For example, if I go back to what ChatGPT generated for us and copy this, for instance, then come back to Paraphraser and paste it here. After pasting it, I can ask QuillBot to paraphrase this. QuillBot will go to work and start the paraphrasing. This research would analyze the effect of diversity. But here it says the impact of diversity and inclusion. Do you see how QuillBot works, and it tries to change the wordings of this particular text? I will not exhaust how to use QuillBot tool or ChatGPT in this particular video because I have made a kind of recommendation for you in my course where I explained how all these things was in detail. The next tool we are going to look at for AI research assistance is known as Scite. Scite is a very good tool for research. You can use it to look for research book title, the author name, or keyword. You can also use it to cite, like in do your book citation. Scite AI is very good with that. I also explain how to do this in my online course. Then another tool is known as Google Forms. Google Form is good for gathering research data. Like you don't want to type out your questionnaire and start sharing it physically. You can use Google Form to collect your data. Just send out the link after creating it, and your respondents will fill the forms and submit back to you, where you can collect the data and use it to do your data analysis. The next tool we are going to look at is Perplexity. Perplexity is another good AI research tool. Unlike ChatGPT that doesn't have access to internet, Perplexity has access to internet. For example, if we go back to ChatGPT and copy out this particular prompt and return back to Perplexity, ask it the same question, what Perplexity will do is that after giving us this project topic or research topic, it will go on to show us a kind of sources or related areas where we can get this particular information. That is, if you want to read more, unlike ChatGPT that doesn't have access to internet. So this is one good thing I like Perplexity for. And you can also use Perplexity in different other ways. And as I said before, you will get that from my online course. Then the next one, which is the last one, is ChatPDF. ChatPDF is an AI tool that will allow you to discuss a research paper. All you will need to do is to upload the paper here and you chat, you ask the question, ask it about findings, ask it about the population or sample, everything that is contained in that particular paper. ChatGPT will be answering you as you chat with it. This is not the complete AI tool I use for my research. I have so many of other ones discussed in my online course. Please remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Also like and share the video with your loved ones. Until next time, keep learning.